Since 2005, Provincial Chrysler has been servicing the needs of Windsor and Essex County residents, and we're hoping to continue to bring great service to our community.
Welcome to Provincial Chrysler's Body Shop. Here at Provincial Chrysler, we fully understand the need to provide our customers and our insurance partners with superior service and quality repairs. Let's take a look inside and show you what our facility has to offer.
We have 15,000 square feet here at Provincial. We're capable of doing all makes and all models of vehicles. We have some of the best equipment. We have a new frame machine. It's car line. All the equipment that is required by all insurance companies to have on site, we have it here at Provincial Chrysler's Body Shop. You'll drive up, come into the office, Chris will come out, greet you, bring your car in our environmental friendly room and do your estimate while you wait. We have a nice, bright, clean shop. We take your vehicle, we detail what we need for it, we mark it down on the windows. We have an idea of exactly what we're working on your vehicle. When body work is all done, we take it over to our prep station. We finish priming up the cars. Then we take and put our IRT light, which speeds up the process of drying time and bakes it to a good dry finish. Once your vehicle is prepped, we now move it into our downdraft spray booth. It's also a bake oven, so once we're done spraying your car, we throw it on bake for about 25 minutes, and your car is now ready to go to assembly. Once your vehicle is all repaired, we bring it over to our detailing shop where in and out is done. Outside is cleaned up and washed. We also supply ceramic coating and paint sealant, interior cleanups, shampoos. When you come to pick up your vehicle, one of our friendly, knowledgeable office staff will greet you, take you out to your vehicle, and explain exactly what we have done to bring your car back to its pre-collision condition.
Thank you for taking the time to review the services Provincial Chrysler Body Shop has to offer. We look forward to hearing from you.